Guys, this is Space Buns on steroids. We're taking it to the next level. Coachella is always about letting your ambitions go out there. You know, it's about your alter ego, and people love to play.
It's a snatchatorial.
This is snatchatorial, guys. This is a snatchatorial with Chris Appleton and Kandee Johnson. Kandee, all you need to do is think of your sections as orange wedges, like wedges of orange, and we're doing 4. So it's narrow towards the bottom and it gets wider at the top. If you want your buns to be a little bit bigger, more meaty.
I always want my buns to be bigger.
Everyone wants their buns to be bigger. We're gonna literally just tease the roots. We're gonna use a comb just to give us a little bit of volume and, you know,
Make
a little bit
thicker.
of texture. Gonna basically wrap the knot around, and we're gonna leave this front section.
Tease and twist.
Tease and twist,
Okay.
tease and twist. But this style has like attitude, it makes a statement, and that's what I love about it. I think that's why it's perfect for like Coachella,
Yeah.
and for that girl that just wants to make a look, you know?